When it comes to sales and checkout for your website, Builderall has the best, most complete, and most robust solution. Much more than just an intelligent checkout system, we offer the best solutions within our application, and that is why we call our tool Super Checkout. With the Super Checkout, you can create traditional checkouts in just a few minutes to sell physical or digital products on your website, integrated with platforms you already have, such as PayPal, Stripe, PagSeguro, Car.com, Braintree, PayFast, BitPay, Mercado Pago, Vindi, Builderall Gateway, Razorpay, Molly, Safe2Pay. You can also create a checkout form in 2 steps, widely used for free product plus shipping funnels and 100% Cheetah Builder integrated. With the Super Checkout, you can create offers with bump sales and even multiple ones in the same offer, depending on your strategy. And of course, the Super Checkout allows you to create offers with upsells and downsells so that you can build a legitimate sales funnel. And yes, the Super Checkout has the famous one-click upsell. And only with the Super Checkout, you have the possibility to quickly create an auction on your website using the strategy to attract hundreds of potential customers. And even more exclusive is the reverse auction system that allows you to create a viral effect with gamification strategy on your website, collecting thousands of emails from potential customers. And we also have scarcity triggers such as limited number of items and time-sensitive offers. A big new feature we're bringing to the Builderall 5.0 launch is the e-commerce with restaurant menu applications, where you can easily build a professional delivery system for any restaurant. You can also create and manage your own affiliate system and have an army of professionals working in partnership with you to sell your products. And go much further, as the Super Checkout is the only one in the industry that allows you to create an affiliate system in levels, where you can create a 2-tier membership system like we have at Builderall, or even create your own multi-level commission system. And we also have customizable templates and integrations with our members area in the Cheetah Builder, our e-learning app, and with our booking tool. And that's why Builderall Super Checkout is the right option for those who need to create a complete and reliable sales system online.